In today's competitive world, standing out is more important than ever. But how do you set yourself apart from the crowd? The answer is simple: confidence. Welcome to Your School Name S Finishing School, where we are dedicated to transforming your potential into excellence. Here, we help you build not just skills but also the confidence to face any challenge, big or small. Our curriculum is meticulously designed to cover a wide range of essential life skills. From public speaking and effective communication to leadership and teamwork, we ensure you are well equipped to handle diverse situations. Our specialized programs are designed to boost your self-esteem and make you feel prepared for life's toughest situations. With personalized coaching and hands-on experiences, we aim to bring out the best in you. Join us at Your School Name S Finishing School and take the first step towards a brighter, more confident future. In our comprehensive course, you'll master the art of communication, enhance your presentation skills, and build confidence in your public speaking abilities. You will also sharpen your group discussion abilities, all critical in today's competitive job selection process. Whether it's speaking with clarity, making a powerful impression, or engaging your audience effectively, our course will guide you every step of the way. You'll learn to handle tricky situations with ease, manage difficult questions, and navigate challenging conversations with confidence. Our experienced instructors provide personalized feedback and practical tips to help you improve continuously. By the end of the course, you'll not only have the skills but also the confidence to excel in any professional setting. Join us and transform your communication and presentation skills today. Our focused approach ensures that you not only learn but grow. You'll gain real-world skills that make you job-ready, interview-ready, and life-ready. The impact: increased confidence, enhanced skills, and the ability to succeed in any career environment. So, what are you waiting for? Life is full of choices and opportunities, and sometimes all it takes is a single decision to change your path forever. Don't let opportunities slip by. Time waits for no one, and every moment you hesitate, you could be missing out on something great. Take the first step towards a confident and successful future. Embrace the possibilities that lie ahead and make the most of every chance you get. Register now for our finishing school course and unlock your true potential. This is your moment to shine, to grow, and to achieve your dreams. Finishing school, register today. Super. For more details, visit careercognizance.com, explore our programs, read testimonials on Google or LinkedIn, and see how we can help you succeed. Super. Follow us on Career Cognizance YouTube. Stay updated with the latest news, events, and success stories from our community on WhatsApp. Confidence starts here, your journey begins now.